It has been pretty difficult to get a good budget Android tablet in 2020. That is until Samsung brought out this Galaxy Tab A7. Hey guys, it's Saga from TecworkZ, and in this video, let us find out why this Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 is the best Android tablet under 20,000 rupees. This Galaxy Tab A7 is available for 17,999 rupees for the Wi-Fi only variant and 21,999 rupees for the Wi-Fi plus LTE variant. But if you buy it in the next few days, you can get the Wi-Fi only variant for 16,999 rupees only. If you guys want to watch this video in Hindi, click on this card that appears on the top right corner of your screen or on the link in the description. Yes, I have a new Hindi channel now. So if you guys understand Hindi, click on the link in the description and come and show me some love and support by hitting the subscribe button on that channel. Coming back to this video, let us start by taking a look at what all do we get in the box. First thing in the box is the Galaxy Tab A7 itself in its protective covering. I will keep it aside while we take a look at other things in the box. Below the tablet, there are these two boxes, inside one of which is just some paperwork and a SIM tray or memory card tray removal pin. And in the other box, there is this slow 7.75 watt charger and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. I was surprised to see that Samsung has given us a very slow charger with this tablet. Anyways, I will keep all these things aside and we will get back to the Tab A7. After having used the 8th generation iPad for the last few days, this one feels a bit heavy to me. But in reality, the iPad is almost 15 grams heavier than this. I think the Tab A7 feels heavy because how compact it is. I was surprised to see that the back is made of metal. At this price, I just expected it to be made of plastic. There is an 8 megapixel camera at the back, and at just 7mm, this tablet is incredibly thin. There are quad speakers, 2 on each side when you hold the tablet in landscape mode. We also get a headphone jack in a very weird position on one of its corners. There is a USB 2.0 Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Power and volume buttons are on the top or on the right, depending on how you are holding the tablet. And the microSD card expansion tray is on the bottom right. And last but not the least, we have a big 10.4-inch WUXGA Plus IPS LCD screen. The build of this tablet is amazing, and it is hard to believe that it costs less than 20,000 rupees. While the back is mostly made of metal, there is a plastic strip at the top for the antennas and some signals to pass through. Now after having used the iPad for a few days, I feel the display on this thing is a bit narrower, but despite of not having an AMOLED panel, the viewing angles are good and the colors look fine for the most part. Now the display doesn't get too bright for direct sunlight, but for most of the indoor lighting conditions it is more than adequate. And while it is not the most pixel-packed display, I think for the price it does a very good job. Thanks to the quad speakers and Dolby Atmos support, it is amazing for consuming media. Now you can binge watch all your favorite shows on a much bigger and immersive display. It has wideband L1 support, so Netflix and other major streaming services support HD playback on this tablet. When you don't want to disturb others around you, you can listen to the audio via the 3.5mm audio jack, which if you have a decent pair of headphones also delivers an amazing sound. The 5 megapixel front-facing camera is placed on the landscape mode because while on video calls, you are most likely to use the tablet in this orientation, and I think this is a very well thought out move by Samsung. Now I went with the back cover because it is very useful when you don't want to hold your tablet for a long time, like while watching videos or while on video calls. With the bundled offer, I got it for less than 2,000 rupees, but on its own, it will cost you close to 4,000 rupees. So if you plan on getting this tablet, make sure to order the combo bundle. It has 2 different angles for how you can set the display, and the strip at the bottom has magnets, so it just snaps into the place and stays there until you move it. I really like that. Now sadly, you can't use the S Pen with this tablet. You can use a normal generic tablet stylus, but the experience is just not as good, and that won't work very well for taking notes. Fortunately, Samsung did not include the Exynos processor, and they went with the Snapdragon 662 processor and 3GB of RAM for this tablet. Now, I would have liked to see a bit more powerful 730G processor and maybe 4GB of RAM, but my guess is that would have made the tablet a bit more costly. Even with these internals, Samsung's One UI 2.5 built on top of Android 10 keep things running smoothly, and you won't see any major stutters or lags while using this tablet. With just 3GB of RAM, we might start seeing some lag and stutter after a few years, but right now, it seems to run most of the things smoothly. While it is not the best at running most intensive games on the highest settings, things definitely run smooth on medium settings. You can use multiple apps side by side and get more things done at the same time. And with 7000 plus mAh of battery, you get a very good battery backup. For online streaming, you can expect to get close to 7 hours of battery backup, and for viewing locally stored content, it can last for 10 or 10.5 hours, and I think that is a pretty good battery backup. Overall, the Tab A7 feels like a very good tablet. It is not as premium as the S7 lineup of tablets from Samsung, but as an entry-level tablet, it is really good for watching YouTube or any other streaming services, playing light games, and for making and receiving video calls. Due to the pandemic, if your school, college, or office demands a lot of learning or conversations over video calls, this would be the perfect tablet for you without breaking your bank. I would say the only major thing missing on this tablet is the S Pen support. For that, you will have to choose the Samsung Tab S6 Lite or the iPad 8th generation, both of which cost a lot more money than this. And 32 GB of internal storage is just not enough for everyone. There is expandable storage, but you can't install applications on the microSD card, so if you're someone who wants to install a lot of heavy apps on your tablet, this might not be the best tablet for you. Out of the box, 19.8 or 20 GB of storage is available for you to use. I think the best features about the Tab A7 are the quad speakers and especially their placement. Next is how slim the tablet is, and finally its starting price. I think these three alone make it the best budget Android tablet under 20,000 rupees. Actually, this is also the best tablet because there are no other good options in and around this price point. So that is all about the Galaxy Tab A7. If you want to know anything more about it that I might have missed in this video, please ask me about it in the comment section. And even though it is not competing directly with the 8th generation iPad, let me know in the comments if you would like to see a comparison video between the two. If you guys like this tablet and would like to purchase it, I will really appreciate if you get it from the affiliate links in the description section. That is it for this video guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.